It seems that you pirated baby first TV. According to copyright law, piracy is a serious crime. For your safety, please turn off your TV and go to babyfirsttv.com. Anti-piracy, you get 5 chances left. Oh, you didn't turn off your TV. You now only have 4 chances left. Please turn off your TV or you will lose another chance.
Seriously? You didn't listen to us
again.
Come on.
Alright.
Seriously,
3
you didn't listen to
chances.
us again?
If you ignore us 3 more times, then something bad is gonna happen. Turn off your TV, please.
What did we say? Turn off the
You didn't
TV
listen
right
to
now.
us.
You're making us mad. And you wouldn't
You're
like
making
us
us
if we're
mad.
mad.
And you
There's only
wouldn't
2
like us
more
when we
chances
get
left. Turn
2
it off
more
right
chances.
now.
Alright.
Okay!
You're really starting to get on our last nerves.
I swear!
This is your last chance. If you don't turn off your TV in the next 5 seconds, then you're not gonna like what happens next.
You know what? Fuck you.
That's it. You asked for this.
You never listen. Surprising. You were gonna be sorry, son. This is you.